The Hindu Summary 18th October 2016. Saurabh Verma wins men's singles title at Chinese Taipei Open. Indian shuttler Saurabh Verma, 23 has clinched the men's singles title at the Chinese Taipei Open badminton by defeating Malaysia's Darren Liu in the summit clash of the Grand Prix tournament in Taipei City. Boxer Neeraj Goyat retains WBC Asia welterweight title. Indian boxer Neeraj Goyat, 24 years, has retained his WBC welterweight Asia title by outpunching Australia's Ben Kite in New Delhi. Neeraj has become the first Indian boxer to defend a pro title. The fight was organized by the Professional Boxing Organization of India. 16th October, World Food Day. World Food Day is celebrated every year around the world on 16th October in honor of the date of the founding of the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, UN. The theme of 2016 is Climate Change. Climate is changing. Food and agriculture must too. 17th October, International Day for the Eradication of Poverty. The International Day for the Eradication of Poverty is an international observance celebrated every year on 17th October throughout the world. The theme of 2016 is moving from humiliation and exclusion to participation, ending poverty in all its forms. C. Radhakrishnan selected for Mathrubhumi Literary Award. Eminent writer C. Radhakrishnan has been selected for the Mathrubhumi Literary Award 2016 in recognition of his contribution to the field of literature. He was selected by a panel chaired by novelist M. Mukundan. The award carries a cash prize of 2 rupees lakh, a citation and a statuette. China launches its longest ever manned mission to space. China has launched spacecraft in the longest ever manned mission, taking 2 astronauts into orbit. They will spend a month aboard an experimental space laboratory that is part of a broader plan to have a permanent manned space station in service around 2022. The Shenzhou 11 blasted off on a Long March rocket at 7:30 am local time from the remote launch site in Jiuquan, in the Gobi Desert, in images carried live on state television. Govt. Grants BP PLC license to set up petrol pumps in India. The Union government has formally granted a license to Europe's third biggest oil company BP to set up 3,500 petrol pumps in India. BP has been granted the license to market motor spirit, petrol, and high-speed diesel. State-owned Indian Oil Corp. IOC, owns 25,363 petrol pumps, Hindustan Petroleum Corp Ltd, HPCL, 13,802 stations and Bharat Petroleum Corp Ltd, BPCL, 13,439 outlets. Himachal Pradesh Police celebrates Cyber Crime Awareness Week. Himachal Pradesh Police is celebrating Cyber Crime Awareness Week. The Centre for Development of Advanced Computing, CDAC, an institution of Department of Electronics and Information Technology under the Ministry of Communication and Information Technology, is helping the police. The Himachal Pradesh Police has planned the 3-phase strategy to aware the common people on cybercrime in the state. The focus would be on educating the school and college students during the campaign.